What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look at the market, 24 hours market performance. We look at our positions to see how they're performing, if they're going up, down, left, right, or sideways. And then we also look at price in a little bit of details. I like using TradingView for that. I already told you guys the reason is because doing that, it helps in making decisions, whether you want to open up a trade, if you want to close a trade, try to help you anticipate if it can help. It helps and try to anticipate. I'm sorry, I can't speak today. Trying to anticipate what the price is going to do. So yeah, that's why we do that every day. But before we do that, guys, it's like some people are just trying, I don't know, maybe because they missed the entry, or because they actually don't know what they're talking about, or I don't know. Sometimes I just feel like I would love to know what charts or what are people looking at, when they make bold statements like, oh yeah, we are in a bull trap. And you look at it and you go like, really? Really? You're in a bull trap? I mean, do you live on the rock? Do you live on the rock? Did you just notice that, first of all, the Fed just cut interest rate? That's a bullish sign for assets like Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto. That's a very, very bullish sign. That's number one. Number two, look at your indicators. What are your indicators doing? Are you looking at that? And again, look at everybody else's sentiments. I always told you guys, like, for you to be a successful trader, you don't need rocket science, guys. You don't need that. You only need your RSI, your MACD, your moving average lines, the 200 moving average, and then you need the moving average ribbon. Also, if you want, you can also add the Bollinger Bands. And then the most important part of it is everything happening around you, the public sentiment. That's one of the most important things. Because if you see everybody's afraid, that means that price is about to jump. I don't know, the last time we talked about this, I showed you guys the liquidation map. You remember? I showed you guys the liquidation map, and the map was showing that the highest liquidity, billions of dollars, was sitting at $73,000 Bitcoin. That's where it was sitting. I'm not talking about you going to look on the daily, on the 24 hours. Man, that is a short term. That's only going to fluctuate. Like, let's say if there is a liquidity below, let's say at I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say Bitcoin today is at 70,000. There is a bigger liquidity at 80,000. Excuse me. Let's go back here. Right there. Let's say Bitcoin is at 80,000 today. Okay? Or let's take a normal number, 70,000. And there is a bigger liquidity at $90,000, but there's a little pool below at 65. Okay, what Bitcoin would normally do is dip, like a quick dip. I don't think it spends even days there. A quick dip and it shoots up. Or sometimes they'll be like, you know what, to hell with that little liquidity, we're going straight up to the, where we have the billions of dollars. And that is exactly what I think is going to happen, because a lot of people are too bearish. And I've told you guys time after time, market, guys, market takes the most amount of money from people. Okay, so here at my millionaire journey, we try to get in before the market even makes a move. Okay, I already said it many times. People trade differently. I am a very aggressive trader. Okay, I know sooner or later the coins I'm trading, they're going to get to the point I'm looking at. Instead of me sitting here, instead of me sit here and get a headache every day, okay, trying to check, trying to know what, oh, the public says this happens, the government is doing this. Guess what? I follow a specific method. For example, I'll give you an example. Bitcoin. My long-term Bitcoins, the charts, the trades, I get in no matter what the price does, because I get in. I add to my margin, like I usually say. I scale it up to the point that my liquidation is way far away from the price. And if the price get close to it, I add more money to my margin. Even if the price get closer, I add more margin. Okay, for some people they'll think that is negative, but I tell you what, the higher your margin, and it's going to be your profits are going to be even higher. Okay, again, and a very perfect example is my trade that I have open right now on Jasmine. Okay, I know Jasmine is going up 60 cents. I know that's where we're going. All after everything said and done, guess what? People are still waiting for the price to confirm at 2.3 cents. Instead of me waiting, guys, I said in my trade, I opened it up, scale it up. I don't use stop losses. Scale it up. Right now, my liquidation is all the way down to 0.009, I think it is, or 0.008, something like that. What are the chances of Jasmine dropping below a penny? There are no chances at all. And if it gets closer to that, guess what? I'll add more margin to it. So yeah, people telling you there is a bull flag, there is this, there is that, there is a bull trap. Guys, it ain't gonna happen. And if you are prepared, just like I've been telling you guys after time, this is not even going to affect you. Okay, it's not going to affect you, because like I said, I already know where the price is going. We are in a bull run. Everybody who's still expecting the bull run to start, I don't know where they're standing. We're in the bull run, and I told you guys, we just hit the phase 3 of the bull run. That's what usually happens, because when the bull run begins, we goes a little up, halving happens, that's phase 1. Phase 2, we try to go up again, then for some reason, there usually be a black swan event. Go look at all the bull runs, and that is phase 2. After that, we hit phase 3. We hit phase 3, which usually take the bull run all the way up to probably November, December, before you see a little bit of a dip. And then we hit phase 4, which is taking everything now all-time high. That's what bull run usually runs. So yeah, anybody else telling you right now that this is a bull trap, I don't know what to tell you. All I can say is I hope you have your positions open. If you can't trade on leverage, at least have your coins on spot trading. That way, when the price reaches to the prices that you want, you can close that spot and you've made a lot of money out of it. That's also another way of trading. Me, I use 3 of them. Okay, I trade on leverage, I trade on spot, and I use mining. So that's just me. Again, guys, it's not a bull trap. These things happen in a bull run. Price goes up and then takes a breather, then it goes up again. These things happen because we have such a thing that we call day traders. Okay, people are taking profits, and when too many people take profit at once, that usually make the price to come down. Okay, people are talking about it's a CME gap at $48,000 Bitcoin. Okay, okay, we see, we will see. I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to take off, and when it takes, we're looking at probably 90 or $100,000 Bitcoin. And again, that would transfer down to the coins that we are trading. I've said it before. Casper, we are looking at $2. Okay, and this phase 3 leading to phase 4 of the bull run. We are looking at $2. That's what we're looking at, $2. Then a little breather, and after that we have $10 mark to match to. That's what is this happening. Quant, guys, this phase that we are right now, we're looking at probably $280 to $300. Okay, then take a little breather. After that, we're looking at $5,000 or even above. You're about to see it. Same goes to Jasmine. This one, we are looking at 10-11 cents. Okay, take a little breather from there. Probably push it to 15 cents before we take a little breather, and from there 60 cents minimum. I'm thinking about 60 cents. That's what the charts are showing. Or let's see, like I said, lockup is going to determine a lot of things. If they lock up a lot of Jasmine, we're probably looking at $1.50 or $2 thereabout. So yeah, I hope you are ready. These things, people are trying to put fear in your head. Okay, just use a good trading strategy. That's all you need. People telling you this is going to be a bull trap, or this is a mountain cup, or whatever they call them. Guys, all you need is a good trading strategy, and you need to hold coins that are money printers. Money printers, like, you don't need a portfolio with 50 different coins. You don't need that. 2, 3, 4, or even, let's say, between 5 to 10 coins is fine, although I think that's still too much. Okay, when I started, that's what I thought was good to do, but guys, it is a waste of time. It's a waste of time. All you got to do is get anything between 2 to 6 or 7 coins, money printers, and then you will see. Like I've been saying, we will see in 10 to 12 months. I will sit here just like I'm sitting right now, and I will just like I'm sitting right now, and I will tell you, I told you so. Because you guys already know, right? If you know, you know. And you stick to that, guys. You stick to that, because that's all you need, money printers. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's look at my crypto bubbles right quick. See, everybody calling you a bull trap. Look at that. It's green. Green on the day, green on the week, green on the month. Guys, it is funny. Anyways, let's go look at King Casper first. Excuse me. Right there. King Casper, KS. Right there. For the past hour, we down 0.03, almost line on zero. No more movement on the hour. We got 2% down the day. We got 0.95 down the week. We got 7.7% up on the month, and 266% up on the year. On Quant, QNT, let's go here, the coin that many people love to hate. Look at Quant. Look at Quant, guys. 0.66% up in the last hour, 4.3% up in the last day, 0.61% up in the last week, 22.8% up in the last month. And guys, look at that number again. I keep saying it. You see that? We are almost break even on Quant. The yearly, we were like what, 20% yesterday. Today, look at that. We are down 15.5%. That number is coming. Soon enough, you're going to see it green, guys. And yet, people are still expecting a $35-40 Quant price. Excuse me. It is too funny, guys. It is too funny. It is too funny. Anyway, let's go look at the price in a little bit of different. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go look at price in a little much more details. What is my trading view right quick? Right here, we're going to start with King Casper. This is the last hourly, okay? Just like we talked about yesterday, okay? We talked about this yesterday, and it is happening as predicted, right? I told you guys price was going up, okay? But cryptocurrency, it does this every time. Let me zoom to a little bit to the left here, because yesterday we had this breakout. Okay, we had this breakout going up, and I told you guys price needs to come down to confirm this breakout. This line, I saw my mobile phone, my computers, they are well drawn better, but this is the support. Like we said, see, went up, came down, support, and even came back and got supported by the 200 moving average. Now we are going back above. Look at that, we just broke above it. And on the hourly, again guys, this is normal. This is what needs to happen. Nothing a bull trap or whatever they call it is happening here. This is normal. So what I'm expecting, again, now that we confirm, now we need to start going up to go and conquer that all-time high at 21 cents. Okay, that's what you're about to see, because when you go to the excuse me, let you go to the 4 hourly. See, I told you guys this. Casper was forming an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, inverse head and shoulder. If you get, this is the first shoulder, this is the head right here, and that is the second shoulder. Now price need to go above 17.9. okay, once you go above 17.9, break above it, that is when we are going to look at the target. And the target of this inverse head and shoulder is all the way up to $21. 21 cents, sorry. I wish it was $21, but it's all the way up there to 21 cents. So yeah, everybody else is feeling bearish, and I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to rip it. It's about to rip it to all-time high. So yeah, for Casper, my bags are packed. I'm ready for it. So I hope you are also ready, because Casper is just doing what it was supposed to do. Inverse head and shoulder, which will be completed very, very soon. You're about to see it. Okay, now let's go look at Quant right quick. The coin that a lot of people love to hate. Like I say, QNT. Let's go USDT. We're taking the Binance chart right here. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. Just as we predicted, just like we talked about. See, told you it was a bull flag, and yet everybody else was talking about Quant going back down again. Look at that. We broke the bull flag. We broke and it took off. Look at that. This was a bull flag. Like I told you guys, broke above, and now we're going again. Everybody else is I don't know what chart you're looking at, but I'm telling you guys, Quant is heading to $95. That is the target of this bull flag. Okay, so even when you look, let's go, even when you go on the 1 hourly, even when you go on the 1 hour right here, there you go. See, the same thing I told you guys yesterday. Look at the moving average pointing upwards. Quant comes down, touches the moving ribbon, bounces, moving ribbon, bounces, moving ribbon. Now we're about to bounce all the way up again. So if you want to see the target of this, we can go on the daily. Let's go on the daily right quick. Look at that. Just like I told you guys. Okay, see, this is the bull flag. It broke, and now the target is all the way up here, $95. That's where we're going. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but yeah, I hope you are ready for it. And again, you gotta like look at this in a bigger picture. Okay, when you go on the weekly, let's go on the weekly. Okay, look, just like I've been telling you guys, this is what is happening. See, second week now, green. Now we about to close this week. The weekend is almost here for like 2. We got around like 48 more hours or something like that. So we about to close this week, and I can tell you guys, it looks like we about to close this week green again. So look, what we need to do once we close this, okay, once price, because price is going to come up here, that's the target, $95 turn that into support, the next impulsive move is what is going to push it above this symmetrical triangle that has been forming since that all-time high. This has been a very big resistance, okay? Once we form this, start to go up, okay? Above that, we have this resistance from this symmetrical triangle. That's around, depends on where we hit it from. Probably it's going to be around that 104, 105. Once we hit it, the target is right here, $125. Once we break above that, guys, quant is gone. It's gone. Okay, quant is gone. So, like, I don't know how many times I've been saying this in this channel, but if you're paying attention, guys, I think you'll be sitting here like you'll be thanking me for it. Okay, I'm giving you these things for free. So far, I think I've been right so far. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine is another one. Like I told you guys, it has flipped. Okay, and everybody else still thinking that Jasmine is still going down to below 1 cent. And I'm telling you guys, it's not happening. Jasmine has flipped. Okay, so on the weekly, that's where we're gonna start right now. Look at this on the weekly. It's my arrow. Excuse me. See, this was a falling wedge. On the weekly, we broke above it. This week, I'm expecting this price action to close green. Once it closes green, the next week will begin, and we will probably break this 2.3 cents resistance. Guys, these two bullish, because first of all, it's a bull flag. A bull flag that had a fake out, and that fake out is what formed this falling wedge. Falling wedges, again, they are usually very, very bullish reversal sign, which means this price is going to go up to 4.5 cents. At 4.5 cents, that's the origin of this bull flag. Now, once we get up there, we'll be talking about the target of this bull flag that it formed before the falling wedge was around 10 to 11 cents. Okay, so I'm expecting Jasmine to start, creeping up there easily and slowly. As you can see, first target is going to be here, 2.3. We conquer that, we go above. Second target is going to be here, 3.8. We conquer that, then we go above. Then the next target after that is going to be the target of the falling wedge, 4.5 cents. So yeah, guys, this thing waits for nobody. Look at it on the 4 hourly. Let's go on the 4 hour. See, this is what I was telling you guys yesterday. Look, we broke above the moving average. Now it's coming back down, retest the ribbon, and from here up we went. The moving ribbon is pointing upwards. Moving average is pointing upwards. So yeah, I don't really know what the guys that are calling for a bull trap. I don't know exactly what they're looking at. I'm still confused about that till today. If you go on the 1 hour, it's just going to show you the confirmation. Just like I'm telling you guys, it's going to ride it. See, it came back. Now it's riding the ribbon again. Look at the ribbon. The ribbon is curving upwards. Look at the moving average upwards. So yeah, I don't know what guys are looking at. All I see is bullishness everywhere. Like, look, let me show you something right quick before I forget about it. I've been saying that on quant. Okay, let's circle back to quant for a quick second. It's not going to take me long. We go right here. This is quant. Okay, and I've been telling you guys, you need to pay attention to the MACD and the RSI on the weekly. Look at something. Look at this. See the volume? Look at the volume on quant, guys. See how that volume is picking up. Look at the RSI and MACD. I've been telling you guys about this for the longest. See, it's flipping now. This is on the weekly. You see that? It's flipping. Blue is getting above red, which means, guys, quant is about to start a major run up. That's what's about to happen right now. So that's why I do have my my positions ready, set, and go. That's where we are right now. So let's go back here. Like I said, that's how we do things at my millionaire journey. Everybody else goes this way, we go the other way. Okay, and we'll sit here and yell about it again and say money. That's what we're about to say. I would say shit. Hey, excuse my language. Round 3. money. I am so excited right now, man. I've been waiting for this bull run to take off for the longest. Okay, and again, a lot of people will call me crazy. I'll let you know when I start shorting Bitcoins. I usually start shorting before anybody else. That's what I usually do. So yeah, I will let you know when I start shorting both meme coins or also short meme coins. Okay, I think Bitcoin for me gives you more money. Meme coins, if I have some extra cash on the side, yeah, I will short meme coins too. But for sure, guys, I am going to short the living Jesus out of Bitcoin. You will see when time comes. I will show you. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Again, you can either 5, 10, or 20x your money, guys. But you gotta be careful. I can't say it any clearer than this. If you do not know how to leverage trade, please stick to spot trading, where you just buy the coins and you hold them. Okay, that's something that I do. I do have spot trades too. But if you do have enough experience, or if you're confident, excuse me, if you're confident enough, I do have a Bydfi, I do have Phemex below. The reason is that those two exchanges, they never have a problem with excuse me, they never have a problem with liquidity and stuff like that. You can trade over there, and on that they give excuse. On top of that, they give you sign-up bonuses. Okay, when you sign up, they give you free money. I think up to like $3,000 or $4,000. Use that. Start trading. Okay, once you start trading, once you start making profits, take your initial money out and use house money. That's how I build my position. So once you start trading, you can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, that is not my problem right here. My problem is that I want you to make money, so that in 10 to 12 months, we can pick a spot, Dubai, whatever. We go over there, France. We pick a spot and we'll meet up and celebrate our wins. Okay, so anyway, let's go check my long-term trades right quick at Bydfi. Let's go Bydfi right there. These positions, you guys remember yesterday, I think I was like 13,200 or something like that. So again, people call him bull trap. Look at that. Today I am almost $14,000. Okay, it is climbing, it's going up. There you can see that's my overall. Now if you look at my contracts, look at that. Quant, the coin that people are calling for 40, and it's still climbing today. Today we had $76 on Quant. So my Quant positions, if you guys remember, today it is climbing again. My Quant position is up 44%, which is 3,200. My Casper position, like I said, is still going sideways. Right, it's still revving that engine. It's about to take off. I am up today 6%, which is $184. Again, look. For my Quant, I'm not worried about it. I told you guys this thing is about to go above $5,000. So when it does, I'm gonna have me $1.2 million right here. So the position we are looking at right now, we're looking at let's say $95. By the time it hit $95, this thing will make me $7,800. Okay, now 104, which is another resistance, I will have $10,000. The ultimate target, which is 125, I will have $15,000, as you can see. So yeah, it's moving according to what I'm expecting it to do. Now for Casper, look at that. The immediate target that we are looking at is going to be at 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents, this thing will make me $14,000. Okay, from there we'll be looking at 60 cents. This thing will make me $35,000. But again, I'm telling you guys, exchanges are making moves. They are modifying. If you go to MEXC right now, they will tell you the wallet is under maintenance, which means they're about to start listing KRC20 coins. When that happens, okay, exchanges start listing everything else, you're about to see Casper to go to $1. $1, this thing will make me $50,000. Now at the time, let's see, Binance, Coinbase, and Grandpa start listing this thing. On this phase, I told you guys $2 is the target. So this thing will make me $111,000. So yeah, now let's go look at my short-term trades, which are on Phemex. Let me sign in. Let me sign in right here. And my overall, as you can see, my overall here is at $14,000. See, 14,600. I'm a little bit ahead of my fee on my Bydfi. Wow, that's nice. 14,600. Now, looking at the contracts, you got here, see that my Jasmine is still making moves. I was down negative what, 30 or 20%, something like that. But as you can see, I'm still down, but it's moving to the positive way. I'm at negative 14%, which is 1,700. Again, look at this, the take profit areas for you guys who want to take profit. We have a resistance 0.045, 4.5 cents. This will make me $18,000. We have the target, which is 10 cents. This will make me $63,000. We have another resistance, 15. This will make me $104,000 at 15 cents. Then we have the ultimate resistance at 20 cents. This will make me $146,000. Then I told you guys, I think 60 cents is where we're going for the top. This will make me $477,000. Now, if they push it and we hit it and we hit that $2, which again, I will keep monitoring the market, okay, to see what is happening. If they push it to $2, this is going to make me $1.6 million. Again, we keep monitoring the market every day to see if the price is exhausting itself or not. Again, guys, you got to be vigilant when it comes to this. That's why we do this every day. On my Casper, again, I told you guys, we have 40 cents, right? 40 cents, this will make me $14,000. We have 60 cents, this will make me $26,000. If we keep pushing it at $1, this will make me $50,000. If we keep pushing at $2, this is where I think the target is before we see any major correction. This will make me $110,000. So yeah, that's where we're going. On this trade particularly, I don't think I will hold it up this long. I will be closing and opening as I'll be taking different profits here and there, because this is my short-term trade. This is how I make the money I use to scale up, the money I use for exchange fees, or if I have something else I need to pay for. This is the trade I use for all that stuff. So yeah, there you have it, guys. There's no bull trap. All you need is a perfect or good, or not perfect, you need a good trading strategy. That's what you need. Okay, so please be careful out there, okay, with what people are telling you. Be careful. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Like, comment. I read all your comments and I try to reply to all of them. Okay, now also please don't forget to share so that other people like you and me with a millionaire mind status, okay, we can see and trade different ideas. That being said, guys, sorry, I can't speak. Thanks for watching my videos. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.